Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, viewers, and welcome, Nexo. This is a grammar class. Today we study present continuous.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to learn.
First, I will show the lesson structure. Theory, we learn the basic rules. Examples, we see clear sentences. Quiz, you choose the correct answer. Nexo, are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Now we start with the theory.
Great. I will listen carefully.
Meaning. Present continuous talks about actions happening now. The action is in progress at this moment. Example. The boy is running. Example. The woman is cooking. Basic form. The form is subject plus am is are plus verb ing. The verb ing shows the action in progress. Example. I am reading. Example. They are swimming. Choosing am, is, and are. Use am with I. Use is with he, she, and it. Use are with you, we, and they. Example. I am drinking water. Example. She is opening the door. Example. We are sitting in the park. Negative sentences. For negative sentences, put not after am, is, or are. The action is not happening now. Example. He is not sleeping. Example. They are not dancing. You can also use short forms. Is not becomes isn't, and are not becomes aren't. Example. She isn't watching TV. Example. We aren't running. Questions and short answers. For questions, put am, is, or are before the subject. Keep the verb with ing. Example. Are you listening? Example. Is the dog eating? Use short answers with am, is, or are. Do not repeat the main verb. Example. Yes, she is. Example. No, they aren't. Spelling with ing. For many verbs, just add ing. This is the normal pattern. Example. The girl is playing. Example. The man is walking. When a verb ends in silent E, remove E and add ing. Make becomes making. Example. She is making a cake. Example. He is writing a note. Good work with the theory. Now, examples will make the form clearer.
I like short examples.
The cat is sleeping on the sofa. I am eating an apple. They are playing soccer. She is reading a book. We are walking to school. The baby is crying. You are listening to music. He is washing the car. The children are drawing pictures. The teacher is writing on the board. The birds are flying in the sky. I am not watching TV. She isn't drinking coffee. Are the girls dancing? Is the boy riding a bike? Nice practice with the examples. Now it is quiz time.
I am ready for the quiz.
Choose an option. Is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. Choose an option. Am eating. I am eating an apple. Choose an option. Are playing. They are playing soccer. Choose an option. Is reading. She is reading a book. Choose an option. Are walking. We are walking to school. Choose an option. is not watching. He is not watching TV. Choose an option. Is crying. The baby is crying. Choose an option. Are listening. You are listening to music. Choose an option. Are. Are they dancing? Choose an option. Is she cooking dinner? Choose an option. Am not running. I am not running. Choose an option. Are drawing. The children are drawing. Good job. You completed the class. See you in the next lesson.
Thank you, Emma.